Hello guys, so today it's another tutorial vlog, and today's vlog guys, I'm gonna show you how to set your YC onion hot dog video slider. So without further ado, let's start. First, make sure that you have battery, either NP battery or you can use any USB-C powered. So to this vlog, I will use the USB-C. Then turn on this, the switch button is turned on here. Okay, just turn on. Okay, for setup. First, you need to set the set A and the set B. So we do it manually. Press the button set A. Just continue press. Yeah, it will hold. Okay, until finish. Then set. Push this button. Okay. Now you have a set A. Now we will make a set B. So just press and hold the B button. So and until you reach on this end. Okay. Okay. And up. Then set the set B. Okay. Okay. Now you have A and B. Set A and set B. And after that, just press this one. Okay. If you can see here, there is a once. It's written once. So we will make a cycle. Press this button, power button, one time. Then this already cycled. It's changed by name cycle. Cycled. Yeah. See, cycled name. So on that, all your slider is good setup. Then you can start now. Press letter A and it will start. Yeah, and so I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, this is a quick tutorial how to set your YC onion hot dog slider. So yeah, I think if you want to check the price and availability of this YC onion, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So all the YC onion product, it's already in our website. So yeah, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.